spy something. Let's see what it is. Oh, nice. Very nice. Yes. Just barely showing itself in the sand. Oh man, that's wonderful. Wonderful. Man, fantastic. All right. Sweet. Oh, happy to have it. Happy to have it. Looks like a little bit of impact damage on the very tip there where it's a fresh flake that's off of there. We'll put it in a case like that. That's a great piece. Oh man. Praise God. That is so cool. Think of the hands that made this, the connection to nature that they had. Love that. Thank you.